Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today we'll try to take some trades and we'll try to take best possible trades, and the target is 100k. I'm taking this one with the sellers because we are at the supply area and the general market movement is like this. It's moving inside of this price channel, so it has to come down and fill this area. And we are at the supply area, so I'm going with the sellers here. If you look at the previous candle, it created this lower low, so it's showing me a lot of sellers in this movement. Today's market looks very bad. It's been like, this week the market was not good at all, and it was hard to find good setups. So this is also a low quality setup for me. If I Alright, that was a winning trade and that was close. My entry was a little bad, but it seems like, okay, if it was dropping on this candle, we would be convinced that it will keep dropping. But now I just see a lot of buyers and the sellers were basically done here. They are not present anymore, and the market will break that. It will try to break and go up. And also we don't have any buy setup here. If we have a buy setup, we will take the buyers. Now, all right, the market touched this demand area, it went up, and now we have this QM, have this little trend line. The QM doesn't look very nice, but I will try. Yes, we have engulf. Let's see. Oh my god, it's already reacting. Let's go to the late entry. It's already reacting from this demand. This is the demand area for the QM. We have 30 seconds as well. My entry is so bad, but it was very clean. That was a winning trade too. Let me draw the QM level. This is the QM level. Okay, QM level looks like this. This is the QM level. So this is the QM level right here. Okay, QM. So after marking the QM, this one, we go to the 3-minute time frame, higher time frame, to see if the marking area is inside of an engulf. It means that we have higher time frame confirmation. After that, go back to 1 minute and we go to lower time frame step by step until we find the fresh supply or demand like this. This is the, demand area. And then we mark this area and this is going to be the entry. Of course, it should be in the market's direction. This is important. Also, you can add up to trend lines like this. It shouldn't be exact trend line, but trend line helps you to determine the trend and go with the trend. Sorry for interruption. This Monday, there'll be this special offer, 40% discount on normal price of 0 to Hero mentorship. If you're interested, join the Telegram channel and stay tuned. Okay, I'm taking this one. Let's go. Finally, market started giving us some setups. All right, let me just mark this. This is a decision point. Of course, I can look for better entries in the lower time frame. Let's go. Let's go. No, that's the best. I think that was the best entry already because I don't see anything here. All right, we have a very small one down here, right here. But I think the market's already moved from there. Look. I mark this. This is going to be the precise entry. Exactly. So this is the decision point. Decision points means we have this kind of demand, and then we have a significant breakout. But in this case, it's breaking this resistance. Okay. It's a small decision point for this. Also, a big one for this strong resistance. Okay, it's breaking both of them, so most likely it will react there would be a reaction from this, especially previously it hasn't been touched. If you mark this area as a 1 minute demand, okay, as a 1 minute demand, you see that the previous time it hasn't touched it, so it's still fresh. And after marking this and detecting the decision point, we go to lower time frame and we find the precise entry, or the exact entry we need, which is this one. See, this is the safest possible entry for this trade. And the point that the market will react so bad. All right, there's another point for this trade. Finally, man, the market was just not giving us setups. All right, so this is the Dogee break. When we have a Dogee and we break it, yes, after this candle broke the Dogee, we can have that idea that the next candle will go up, but we don't enter immediately because it can give us this red one and we lose this trade if I was entering immediately. We go to lower time frame, we go find other setups in the direction of the Dogee break as well, so it confirms our trade. I'll keep looking. All right, for example, I will give you this example as a Dogee break. Let's say this candle breaks this Dogee, and then after this candle breaks the Dogee as a green one, we get the idea that the next one might give us the red candle because we're breaking the Dogee from the upside. And then we look up and see, okay, what else we have? We have a fair value gap right here. And then after that, we have this order block. So after this Dogee broken, we can look for entry on this order block. The price comes up, we enter. Okay, we enter somewhere here, and then most likely it will reject. And the worst case scenario is going to give us this candle. Instead of entering immediately, which has a lot of risk. All right, didn't even break the Dogee. Didn't break in from the down or up. This one is eventually going to break this. Alright, this candle is breaking that, but there's no other reason. Also, it's a downtrend. So, oh, hold on. This is a demand area. Market is a demand area in general. This is a buying area. So I'm taking this trade. Let's go. So it's a Dogee trade. Market is in a demand area in general. If that demand was not here, was not there, I wouldn't take this trade at all. So that's very important. We are also in this engulfing zone, which is nothing. Because it's not causing anything. Maybe we have some QM inside of it. We don't know that. Yeah, we have a little bit of QM down here, but that's just good enough to take it. Like if we had a gap down, little gap down starting from this level, which is a buyer's entry, this level, it's a very nice buyer's entry. If this next candle was starting with a jump down, it would be 100%, it would be a short shot for me to take. All right, I think I'm going to stop right here. We already took some good trades. And like I said, I usually take 5 or 6 trades per day, especially if the market doesn't look good. Oh my God, look at this one. This is the one I marked showing an example for one of these students. How beautiful is this, man? We have this QM, okay? QM, we have trend line, which is not exactly a valid one, but we have fair value gap, we have order block, and also the engulf right here causing a breakout, unlike this engulf, which is not causing anything. Okay, that's why I said this engulf is not valid, unlike this one, which is causing a breakout of this resistance. This one also was very good and in the direction of the trend. All right, I'm just gonna stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to join the Telegram channel The competition will be announced there. Thank you for watching and peace out.